Hi, it's Koze. Incoco sent me their new nail polish strips. I'm gonna try them on my hand and foot nails. Yeah, you can use them for both fingernails and toenails. These new designs are perfect for occasions like summer outdoor concerts, festivals, fireworks displays. Such exciting designs! I'm gonna use these for my fingernails. It's raining here today, so I want something vibrant to kick the rainy vibe away. I don't know if you say this kind of thing in English. Here you can see how to use them, and you've got more detailed instruction inside. Before I forget, I'm gonna clean my nails with ethanol. I'm gonna read the instruction. They are made of nail lacquer, so when you break the seal, they start to dry. When they are dry, they lose their stickiness, so use them up before they get dry. Make sure your nails are not wet or oily. One strip has a different curve and size on each end. Choose the one that fits your nail size. Don't put it on your skin. If you do, it will come off easier, I think. You can cut them easily with your thumb. Do your thumbnail after doing the other nails. Whoops, I didn't read this part and I did my thumbnail at the very beginning. Use nail polish remover when you want to remove them. Okay, let's get started. I guess the biggest one is for big toenails. It's a little too big for my thumbnail. I'm just gonna tear them apart and remove clear film. And then remove film with a silver tab. It doesn't curl up. Great! Well, the instruction says you have to take off the silver tab, but if you don't use that silver side, probably you can keep the tab. By the way, when I open the package, the strips smell like fresh nail lacquer. After putting it on the nail, press it well. I press it down and tore it off. I filed the edges with a file that comes with incoco strips. I think I should file it up-down, not down-up. Done. It's so quick. I love this vertical gradient, perfect for rainy season nails. I just did the same thing to the other nails, so let me skip some scenes. In general, nail lacquer smell goes away when it's completely dry. Incoco strips look dry and feel dry, but they are still wet as they smell like nail lacquer. It didn't smell anything the following day. Okay, the left hand nails are done. It's got a party vibe. Makes me excited. Now I noticed something. My thumbnail is broken. I was a little upset, but it's a perfect opportunity to use incoco strips as nail repair tape. First, I'm gonna put an incoco strip on the thumbnail, just like the other nails. I think I'm lucky to have a broken nail today because I got a chance to try the strip as repair tape. Yeah, I like conducting nail experiments. I don't see any complications so far. I did other nails too, no problem. I think I should do something extra for the broken nail. I'm gonna put an incoco strip under the nail too. I'm gonna use this leftover strip. I'm gonna remove clear film and another film with a silver tab. I can't put this on the nail as it is, so I'm gonna cut it. I cut it so randomly, but it fits like a glove. Wow. It was a little difficult to put on though. Pressing it down is also a little difficult, so I use a silicone pen from Daiso. And I filed it. I wonder if I'm pressing it too hard. I might break the nail even more. It was no problem. Incoco strips don't get that hard after they are dry completely, so I don't think this is strong enough. I wonder how long it lasts. 3 days, maybe. Alright, rainbow party nails are done. It's almost midnight now. You don't have to dry incoco strips, so I can go to bed now. Next morning, I didn't get any blanket marks and none of the strips came off. I was kind of worried that I might break the thumbnail while sleeping because I sometimes scratch my body in my sleep, but nothing happened. By the way, I left this strip totally uncovered on the table overnight. It doesn't look so dry. Maybe I can still use this for my toenail. I didn't check out if incoco strips can be used for toenails until this moment. So I'm gonna do my toenails now. My feet are not something I'm proud of very much. I'm not very flexible and it's hard to take care of toenails. And my eyes, I can't see my toes very well. It's already hard for me to just cut and trim my toenails. My husband always makes fun of my little toe. It's so tiny. I'm gonna use this set too, because I don't have enough leftover strips for all the toenails. This is from yesterday. I just left it on the table. I wonder if I can still use it. It seems like it's still sticky. I stretched it a bit and then it's torn. The strip doesn't cover the tip. It's not stretchy enough. Okay. It came off pretty easily because it was pretty dry, I guess. I'm gonna use the other half of the torn strip. This end is slightly wider than the other, so I'm going to need to trim this side. This time, I'm making sure it's stuck well. I tore it very carefully. Yes, I did it. Filing is very hard for a person who's not very flexible. I think I can file off the excess strip on the side like this. I'm sure a tiny bit of the strip is actually on the skin, but this is the best I can do. Toenail art usually lasts very long, so it should be okay. It's not gel nail, so I don't have to worry much about allergies. I'm gonna use this new set now. How can I do the tiny pinky toe? Just like this? I shouldn't have used a dark color one. I guess this nail size is an average pinky toe size. I see a missed spot on the right corner, but it's not a big problem. Nobody will notice that. Everybody would notice how small my pinky toe is. That is a problem for me. I should stop showing you guys this tiny nail now. I did better on the right toenails. They look nice with the ring and filter. By the way, this is a broken thumbnail on day 3. It's got a crack, but it's not a disaster. I have to be careful when I put on tight jeans though. Okay, so I enjoyed the incoco strips on my fingernails and toenails. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.